Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix fast charging is not working in Samsung Galaxy S21. If you're using Galaxy S21 and you're facing the issue that your fast charging is working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to completely clean your physical connection. You have to make sure that your charging cable and your charging port is completely clean. You have to also make sure that your charging port and charging cable is not physically damaged. If you might see that your charging port is not clean, so you can try to clean it, and you can also try to change your charging cable or your charging port if they are damaged. After that, you have to also make sure that your phone is not overheating. Like if your phone is overheating, so you can try to let it cool down. And once your phone is cooled down, you can easily try to recharge it without an issue like this. But if you're still facing the same issue, so you can go to settings app here, and in settings, just go to battery and go to charging settings, and you have to make sure that you have enabled both these toggles of fast charging or true charging information. You can also try to disable them and then re-enable. And once you've done, just go back. You have to make sure that you must have any software updates. So go to settings, go to software update section, and just make sure that your phone haven't any pending software update. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not working for you, open your dialer app here, just go to dialing section and dial the number, which is star hash 9900 hash. You must at this type system log here. So you just have to go to battery stats. So here's the battery stats reset. Just click on it. It will take a few moments. It will completely clean your battery stats. Now just click on exit. And once you have done, before you retry to charge your phone, just scroll in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. If you're still facing the same issues, I recommend you have to avoid to use your phone while it's not charging. If you're using your phone or charging, so it might also create these type issues. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.